Hi there guys, this is LRC11, Convertible Roof Waterproofer. This will also work over the top of our canvas dyes when applied to canvas materials. So it does exactly what it says. It waterproofs convertible roofs on vehicles. Make sure your item is 100% clean and 100% dry before applying, or it will be non-effective on the surface, or at least not as effective as you would want it to be. So make sure it's completely dry. Application is very, very simple. It's a spray application. As you can tell, the trigger is locked. In its locked position, you would put it into its open position and then the trigger would work. With any waterproofing product for a fabric material, you would brush the fibers in one direction, spray the material, the fluid on LRC11 on to the item, allow it to dry, and then brush them back the other way and spray that direction. Allow it to dry, brush that way, spray it on, and then brush back this way and spray that way. That way, all the fibers are coated on all four sides. If you were to have a roof like this where all the fibers are brushed this way and you spray it on, they're coated here. The moment you wash your car and brush the fibers that way, none of these are protected. So just bear that in mind when you are coating anything that is a fabric, like even car seats or carpets on floors in cars. Same with the convertible roof. Make sure that you have got it actually brushed in every direction to make sure that you have got the best waterproof protection on there possible. This is a water-based product, so it is really safe to use, but as always, please use gloves and please use a mask, especially if you're doing this in your garage. Make sure the garage door is open so that you have plenty of through ventilation. And please put on a mask. Something similar to sort of like the face masks that we were wearing during COVID. Those sort of things are absolutely fine, but make sure you put that mask on and those gloves on and spray on and brush in. Very, very simple. LRC11. Get it from the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com.